Magic Mango Vlogs. Subscribe, like and share my videos. Hi, hello foodies, welcome everyone to my cooking tales. For this episode, I brought a new idea for the perfect simple evening snack recipe with a whole wheat bread. This snack is one of my favorite cuisine from the childhood. There are so many different tasty snack recipes done with the bread sandwich toaster. So today, in this video, I'm gonna share you this simple version among the bread sandwiches. This cuisine is also famous on the Indian streets. So today I'm gonna share this easy crunchy grilled bread sandwich with the sandwich toaster at the home. So then why late? Let's check out the procedure. For the sandwiches we need to prepare the stuffing. So today I'm showing the simple basic version of the stuffing with the onions and tomatoes. In the later episodes I will show you the different kinds of stuffs with the other vegetables. So today I'm going to use 1 cup of chopped onions, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander and 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Then in next step, take a kadai, add oil and heat it. So after oil is getting heated up, then we need to take 1 spoon of cumins, 1 spoon of jeera, some curry leaves and some urad dal, and then we need to keep in the hot oil. So after keeping, we need to splutter it. Then we need to add chopped onions, green chilies, and then we need to cook for 5 minutes until it becomes soft. Then we need to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So if you want spicy, then you can add red chili powder and other garam masala or pav bhaji masala. So this is the basic version I am showing, so no need of all those things. So then we need to stir in this way so that all the turmeric should apply to all the content. So after a nice mix, we'll get in this way so that all the content becomes soft. So in this way, the onion should get cooked. So after cooking the onions, we need to add chopped tomatoes. So again we need to cook it for 5 minutes. So we need to add some coriander leaves also. So then we need to cook for 5 minutes. So after cooking some time, the tomato becomes soft. So we'll get some nice aroma from that curry. So this indicates that the stuffing is prepared. So then finally we need to add 1 tablespoon of salt according to your taste. Then we need to give a nice mix again. Finally it's done. So this is the basic version I am showing. For extra spiciness, you can add red chili powder, garam masala powder and pav bhaji masalas. So this is the basic version. This stuff is actually mild taste. So this is good for the children. We can prepare lot many varieties with the stuffings. Usually for the stuffing, you can use any quick cook mixed veggies of your choice like potatoes, tomatoes, carrot, beans, peas, sweet corn, bell pepper, whatever it is available at your home. If you want to prepare the cheese version, then you can select the cheese or paneer. For more healthier versions, make bread sandwiches with the brown bread or whole grain bread. So I'm using whole wheat bread. So I have taken 1 loaf and divided into the pieces in this way. Next, we mainly require this bread toaster. So this is the basic variety available in everyone's house. So this is available in my house also. So I am showing you today. So here is our magical bread toaster. So in this way I am opening and showing you. So you can take look inside of it. So onto the walls you got some nice grills in this shape. So this gives the perfect look. Smear oil or ghee at the base of this sandwich toaster. Then for the outer layer of this bread, we need to apply some butter or oil, and then we need to fit this bread into the grooves of this grills. Then we need to add this stuffing in the middle in this way. So we need to fill this stuffing to the bread onto the inner layer. Then we need to spread to all the sides. And then in the middle, according to the triangle shape, we need to divide the curry so that finally it will give a nice finishing for the sandwiches. I will show you. So this is the best hack or tip in this. Then we need to close this and we need to lock in this way. So this is ready for heating. Then we need to go for the heating. I will show you. Firstly, we need to turn on the burner in this way, and then we need to keep into the low flame, and then we need to keep this bread toaster onto the flame directly in this way. Then we need to check for the oil and for the cut, it is sufficient or not. So in this way we need to toast the bread by turning. So we need to flip on both sides in this way with the hand. So in the middle we need to check by opening it and closing. So again we need to lock, and again we need to turn on both sides, and again we need to check. You can observe a nice cut in the middle. So when we lock and heat it on a low flame, automatically the bread is cut inside in this toaster. So it gives the perfect line. So it divides very perfectly. So on the low flame only it is done. So in this way we need to toast the bread by flipping onto the both sides, and then finally we need to get this golden brown color with the nice grill lines. So this gives the restaurant style look. So in this way we need to grill. So here is our grilled crunchy bread sandwiches prepared. Then we need to take off. So in this way I have taken out. You can see the finishing of this bread sandwiches, how nicely, how perfectly it was done. So the basic hack in this is everything we need to do in the low to medium flame only, so that you will get the perfect sandwiches. The restaurant or bakery style, I have toasted the perfectly grilled crunchy bread sandwiches with the sandwich bread toaster at the home with the simple ingredients, and have prepared in the simple way within 15 minutes. This makes a very good different snack recipe for your children, and it is also a very quick recipe for unexpected guests. So don't forget to try this recipe at your home. I think this video is helpful for you people. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video. So in this way I have decorated this. Have a great day.